Yes, now I diagnosed with vision. The year 2022. Okay, with the mileage. Oh, mileage is low. Yes, this car needs to relay new battery. The battery low voltage, so make the brake control module or brake chain control module, anything, the engine light on. Okay, the power not enough to supply for the control the computer. Yeah, need to relay new battery. Okay. Yeah, that's it. No problem. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for your watching, like and subscribing. If you have any question, give me a question under every video. Okay, every day.